This is a video on this geocache project that I've been working on, and it is completed. So it's a birdhouse that is going to be in the woods. And so we've got geocache logo on the front door. We got a little clue on that side. The clue on that side. And your goal is to get into here, but it's locked. So what you have to do is find this stick that's going to be hanging from a tree. It has a magnet in it, and so you have to place it on the right spot here. Plays a little fun sound, and then open the door over here. There's the door. Reach inside. Grab the key. Door should close here any second. Now, open the cache. There we go. So the way that this is built, take this front cover off. So I've got a servo motor there that opens the door. That's with a push rod setting in there. And I've got a reed switch right there. And I've got another reed switch right there. It's all stored in that waterproof box. And that's the other servo up there that releases the trap door. You can see it. I'll show you what that looks like when it drops. There you go. And this is what the door looks like when it opens. So that is that. This is all done with an Arduino Uno, and there's obviously a lot of different mechanisms in there, but it's got a DFPlayer, reed switches, capacitors, transistors, because it's in low power mode, and it's all powered by a lithium-ion battery that, if everything goes right, should last for about 6 to 9 months with the low power mode and transistors. So that's it.